SBA Publications.
Hello dear students, how are you all? I am your English teacher Vedika, and with me today you will be learning your chapter number 3, and the name of the chapter is Nouns, Males and Females. That means we will be learning about the gender of our nouns. Till now we have learnt about our nouns and their numbers. So this is our next topic. So let's start with the reading. Here it is written, look at the following pictures and read the given words below them. So, our first picture is of a man. This is a man. And this one here is a bull. Next up we have a peacock and a prince. And the pictures given below are of a woman, a cow, a peahen and a princess. So, as you can see that the words like man, bull, peacock, prince, woman, cow, peahen and princess are all common nouns. कौन से words हैं ये? These are all the common nouns. And the nouns man, bull, peacock, prince are males. ये जो nouns हैं जैसे कि man, bull, peacock and prince ये सब क्या है? ये males हैं. These are the male genders of the noun, and it means that they belong to a group or gender called the masculine gender. That means ये एक ऐसे ग्रुप से belong करते हैं, एक ऐसे ग्रुप ऑफ जेंडर से बिलोंग करते हैं जिसे हम कहते हैं masculine gender. Which gender is it? Masculine gender. Alright? And the nouns like women, cow, peahen and princess are females. अब ये सब क्या है? ये females हैं. That means they belong to a specific group of gender, group or gender called the feminine gender. किससे belong करते हैं ये वाले words? Feminine gender से. You have to keep these two words in your mind, masculine gender and feminine gender. These are the two basic types of gender. So, all living things usually have two genders. हर living thing normally two genders में divided होता है. The masculine gender and the feminine gender, जिनके बारे में मैंने आपको अभी बताया, masculine and feminine. Okay? So, let's move forward with this information that we have just got. Read the following and know the difference between males and their female gender. Males. So, we will be learning about some males and female genders and their difference. Okay? First one is males. Father, brother, uncle, husband, grandpa, son, nephew. Next we have females, that is mother, which is the masculine gender of the word given above, that is father. Father का feminine gender क्या होगा? Mother. Then sister. Sister का masculine क्या होगा? Brother. Aunt. Aunt का masculine क्या होगा? Uncle. Just like this, wife, and its masculine will be husband. Then there is grandma, and the masculine one of this will be grandpa. Daughter. Daughter is a feminine word and its masculine will be son. Last one is niece and its masculine will be nephew. Nephew is the masculine and niece is its feminine gender. Okay? So, here we have some exercise, that is match the masculine nouns in A with their feminine nouns in B. So, just like I have told you, the masculine nouns and their feminine nouns, just like this you have to match here the masculines with their feminines. जो A section में masculine nouns दिए गए हैं, आपको उन सभी को B section में दिए गए उन्हीं के feminines के साथ मैच करना है. I hope you will be able to do it very easily. So, now we will read about some masculine nouns and we will be knowing their feminines as well. हाउ? चेंजिंग मैस्कुलिन्स इनटू फेमिनिन. मैस्कुलिन्स को फेमिनिन में चेंज कैसे करते हैं? वी विल बी लर्निंग अबाउट दिस इन दिस सेक्शन. सम मैस्कुलिन नाउन्स कैन बी चेंज्ड इनटू फेमिनिन बाय एडिंग डबल एस और ई डबल एस. कुछ मैस्कुलिन नाउन्स को हम फेमिनिन में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए उनके एंड में इधर डबल एस ऐड करते हैं और ई डबल एस ऐड करते हैं. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल प्रिंस. सो विद प्रिंस वी विल ऐड double s and it will become princess. What will it become? Princess. Next one is lion and its feminine will be lioness. Lioness. Host. Hostess. Emperor. Empress. Tiger. Tigress. And god. Goddess. So as you can see in all these given examples that we have converted the masculine genders into feminine genders by adding double s or e double s to it. Okay, so I hope this is very easy and you can understand it well. Next is our common gender. So this is another kind of gender. A noun that can refer to both. वो noun जो दोनों को refer करता है. किन दोनों को? A male or a female is said to be of common gender. अब ऐसा वर्ड जो मेल भी हो सकता है और फीमेल भी हो सकता है. वी डोंट नो वेदर इट इज अ स्पेसिफिक मेल और अ स्पेसिफिक फीमेल, सो वी कंसिडर इट टू बी अ कॉमन नाउन, सॉरी कॉमन जेंडर. हाउ? माई फ्रेंड इज गोइंग टू मुंबई टुमारो. सो माई फ्रेंड इज गोइंग टू मुंबई टुमारो, बट डिड आई टेल यू वेदर माई फ्रेंड इज अ गर्ल और अ बॉय? सो फ्रेंड कैन बी बोथ, either male or female. The word friend has no gender, so it will come under the category of common gender. All right, so friend could be either a man or a woman, that I already told you, so it is a common noun or a common gender. So teacher, teacher can be a male or a female. Doctor, doctor can also be either male or female. Writer also either man or woman. Driver can be a man or a woman also. Artist, singer, student are also some of example of these common gender nouns. Okay, so in this exercise you have to underline the nouns of common gender in these sentences. So here are some sentences given. You have to underline these common gender words. All right, I hope you can do it by your own and I don't have to explain this exercise to you. Next we have our fourth kind of gender. First we read about two basic kinds of gender, that were masculine and feminine, and next we did our common gender. Now we'll be doing neuter gender, that is our fourth type of gender. So let's read the definition first. A noun that refers to lifeless things such as an object or an idea is said to be of neuter gender. कोई भी नाउन जो किसी लाइफलेस थिंग को रेफर करती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल टेबल, इट इज लाइफलेस, लिविंग थिंग नहीं है ना टेबल, सो इट विल कम अंडर न्यूटर जेंडर. कार, फैन, काइंडनेस, विजडम, बुक, पेन, etc. All these examples are either of a lifeless thing or a feeling or an idea. कोई भी नाउन जो कोई लाइफलेस थिंग है, नॉन लिविंग थिंग है, या कोई फीलिंग है, कोई आइडिया है, ऑल दीज बेसिकली कम अंडर द सेम कैटेगरी ऑफ लाइफलेस थिंग्स, राइट? सो दीज विल कम अंडर द कैटेगरी ऑफ न्यूटर जेंडर. विच जेंडर? न्यूटर जेंडर. सो आई होप दिस इज वेरी easy for you all to understand. And next we have this exercise. Underline the nouns of common gender and circle the nouns of neuter gender in the following sentence. इन sentences में आपको common gender के words को underline करना है and neuter gender के words को आपको circle करना है. I hope you can do it by yourselves, and that's it for the chapter, and that's it for today. I hope you have understood the chapter very well, and if there is any confusion you can go through the video once again. So till then, keep on learning. I'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye.